Alright, so here is the best way on how you can get the old version of CapCut without downloading or reinstalling. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you what you can do. So here, as you're on desktop, and you'll be able to find CapCut right over here, or if you can't find CapCut, you can just simply go to Windows and simply find CapCut through here. And what you need to do is just simply right click on CapCut and go to more, and you just need to open up its file location and go to its original file location just like that. Once you're over here, as you can see, you have many versions of CapCut over here, just like 3.7, 4.1, 4.6. It actually depends on when you've downloaded. So I've downloaded CapCut since it was 3.7. So this is the oldest version that I have. So what you're going to do is simply open it up, and right over here, you need to go down a bit, and right over here, you'll see CapCut exe. Just simply open it up right away. And it's like that. It's going to take a while to open up, and here you go. As you can see, this is the older version. And yeah, this is as simple as it gets. So I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.